Alright, we are in the shack with Briar.
Can I peel it off now?
Yeah, so you can peel it off. We are going to build her new Ryzen system. Ryzen 2600, 600 watt power supply, 16 gigabyte of Vengeance. Yes, Corsair Vengeance memory, 512 gigabyte NVMe Sabre Rocket SSD, 5600 XT, Asus Prime motherboard.
I want it out.
Alright, let's get this built.
I want to get this thing.
Alright, we will.
Why is it even in?
Alright, this build footage is just recycled from our recent live stream when we actually put the machine together. This ended up being a really solid build. Most of what she had were hand-me-downs for me, but the case, power supply, RAM, and SSD were all purchased new. The motherboard was just purchased in September, brand new, so it's not that old at all. The case was another solid offering from DIYPC. The fans use a proprietary connector with a built-in RGB controller, but it does include a 5-volt 3-pin pass-through if your motherboard supports it. The power supply clearance is the only thing to be concerned with. If your power supply is longer than 6.5 inches, it better be modular. So I got everything installed, updated, and activated. When I started posting videos and pictures of this online, I was asked to include a banana for scale as a joke. so I decided to include it here. I got it all set up in a room. Her existing table was big enough for her old Optiplex, but not the Green Beast, so her dresser had to assist. But that's it for this low quality video. I will see you guys next time.